Once again, Bankim Joardar, on behalf of Institute of Hotel Management and Quantity Food Production Kitchen, we are very much lucky to present one more dish that is called Mawa Til Patti. Now, what is Mawa Til Patti? This is a dish which belongs to the Chambal region of Madhya Pradesh, and more specifically, this has been taken from the region of Morena. It's again a dish which is made in the village area, and it's very famous. It goes very well with other dishes during the winter season. Now, let us have a look at various ingredients which we use to make this dish. We have got pure ghee, then we have got white sesame seed, that is called til seeds or tilli. Then as a flavoring agent we have got the green cardamom powder. Then we have got granular sugar, and ultimately we have got the good quality of mawa. Now, how we are going to make it? First of all, roast the til, that is sesame seed, take it aside and keep aside to cool down. Then take a kadai, melt the ghee. Inside the ghee, crush the mawa and add into it. Just cook for some time. After that, when the sensation of doneness is created, add granular sugar into it and further cook it in a very gentle manner on medium flame. When the thing is all done, then add into it the roasted til seeds and once again mix it properly. When the sides of the kadai starts becoming little bit loose, then you take it out and spread on a grease tray, level from the top and allow it to set. When it sets properly, sprinkle from the top the powdered cardamom seeds and allow it to set for some time. When it is set properly, take in a desirable shape and be ready for the service. Thank you very much. So now friends, we have got another item before you to present. The name of the item is Roti Panpatlu. This is another dish from the region of Champal. Again, it's a village dish, and this is a delicious item which is served with dal panchmil, that is called dal tikkat. Now let us have a look at the ingredients which we use to make this particular dish. We have got atta, that is whole wheat flour, then Bengal gram flour, that is besan, then salt as per the requirement, and cumin seeds whole. What we will do is, we will take the atta, besan, salt and cumin seeds whole. We will make a dough, but the remarkable part of this preparation is we use 70% of water to that of the entire weight of the other ingredients. After making the dough, we will take a little part of it and we will apply padding process like this to give a circular shape. To prevent the sticking, we will sprinkle the water as per the requirement on it and we will just pad it so that it does not stick to the palms or the skin of the hand. After that, we will apply heat from the bottom of an earthenware chulha. We will take an earthenware container, flat container. Over it, we will bake both the sides like normal roti or normal chapati. Yes, the fire will be applied from the source of wooden log or almost anything which is from the category of wood. So we will see how that is prepared. Now we see how Roti Panpatlu is given the shape. As you can see that we have got the dough here. The dough texture wise is not very much tight. It's light, and it's so light that if you hold the dough, you will see the dough is bulging out of your hand. It's just hanging down. So that should be the texture of the dough. Now just have a look at my hand. We have got the dough, and the dough has been given a circular shape like this. And if it is needed, you can apply some stretchability in this way and it will almost take a shape like this. And ultimately, we will see the shape which our kitchen brigade has given. Like we can see of the roti just before baking. Now we will place it on a tawa which is made of earth, pure earth, and we will start baking it in this way. We are applying flame just from the bottom of the tawa. So let us allow it to cook. When it is already well cooked, little bit portion is left for getting cooked, so which is taking place in the meantime. After the roti is made, we will serve it with dal panchmel, that is called panpatlu roti with dal, and this is again a very delicious dish from the village area of Chambal region. So we will have a look at the latter stage.